Hi, today begins registration for next year's senior level English courses, and I know you have a lot of options. I'd like you to consider Honors Dramatic Writing. It's a new 2-credit course for seniors only, but it's not just one course, it counts as 2 credits. Students who successfully complete the course receive a credit for advanced composition, and they also receive a credit for fine arts. So it's one course, but 2 credits. The course was developed through the Georgia Department of Education, the Georgia Film Academy, and also the University System of Georgia. Working together, they created the first arts integrated course that counts as a 4th English language arts unit for high school graduation and a fine arts credit. Part of the impetus for creating this course is the impact that the film industry has had on Georgia. In 2017, $9.5 billion in revenue was recorded to the state of Georgia. The film industry accounted for $4.6 billion in total wages, over 90,000 new jobs, and over 300 new businesses that have relocated or expanded in Georgia to support the industry. Well, there's a lot of fun things going on in Georgia. As a result of Georgia's investment in the TV and film industry, Georgia is now the #1 film location in the world. That's right. It's no longer Hollywood, it's Yollywood. Some of the programs that have been filmed here in Georgia include The Walking Dead, Vampire Diaries, movies such as The Hunger Games, Baby Driver, Captain America, and also the TV show Stranger Things have all been filmed right here in Georgia. Students who've successfully completed this course also receive, as I mentioned earlier, 1 credit for advanced composition and 1 credit for fine arts. These meet the requirements necessary for the University System of Georgia and the Technical College System of Georgia. So what do dramatic writing students have to say about the class? Well, I think one of the things that appeals to them so much is that you get to be creative. The focus is really on developing your strengths as a writer. Abby says it's where you get to explore your creative side. Chris says the class is awesome. I enjoy coming to class every day because of the calming yet exciting environment. The best part of the class is that we get to improve our strengths and fix our weaknesses as writers while learning about various types of writing styles and formats. Danny says, I've always loved the class, especially since it's not overwhelming at all compared to most honors classes. It's a nice way to pace yourself and let your creative abilities actually get out in a non-essay format. And finally, it's easily my favorite language arts class I've ever taken. For one, you write about what you want to write about. As a student, you aren't forced to comply to the formulas that have been hammered into your essays in years past. You also aren't forced to go home every day and do busy work such as daily worksheets. We have a main goal and we work for a period of time on that one piece of writing. Overall, it's just a great time. I can safely say that I actually look forward to going to class every day. According to Fiona, this dramatic writing class boosted my confidence in my writing abilities through positive feedback from the teacher in class. It's also had different writing exercises that helped me build on my abilities, one core block at a time. I really enjoyed getting to work with other creative writers, and I'm glad I made the decision to take this class. What do we do in dramatic writing? We begin this semester kind of really learning how to come up with ideas, how to become storytellers. We do a lot of workshopping, and we do a multi-genre research project where we do the types of research that authors do that inform their creation of their stories. We slowly build up to creating a 10-minute play, which we create in teams. We learned the nature of a story, how to write for stage. We build from monologues to two-person scenes, and eventually that play. In the second semester, the first thing students do is work on a 10-minute play of their own creation independently. And then we began looking at TV and screenwriting, how to pitch to networks, how to create characters, how to structure a story for TV and also for film, and how to revise and write screenplays. One of the aspects of that second semester is that 10-minute play, which everyone writes, including the teacher, and we enter those into a statewide competition. Winners of these plays, 6 to 8 student plays are selected, 2 teacher plays are selected, are actually produced with professional actors and professional directors. Not only that, but there's money involved. The best student screenplay, the student screenplays that are chosen are given first, second, and third places. And the winners receive cash awards, cash scholarships. Because we live in Atlanta and because we have so wonderful, talented alumni, we also get guest speakers from the film industry. Stephanie Robinson, last at her class of 2008, is known for her work on FX's Atlanta. She's won 2 Writers Guild of America awards, nominated for an Emmy. She's currently executive producer and writer for What We Do in the Shadows, for which she's received another Emmy and a nomination for Outstanding Comedy Series. Dr. Aaron Levy, he is one of the creators of this course, a playwright and author, director of academics for the Georgia Film Academy, and associate professor of English and English education. And then Jim Cantor, he's an award-winning filmmaker and photojournalist, and all of these are guest speakers in our class. If you're interested, and this sounds like something that's up your alley, and you're creative, you like stories, want to become a better writer, this could be the class for you. If you're interested, please ask your teacher to register you for this exciting and creative class.